Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on wedding insurance with WedSafe, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the WedSafe website to begin your journey. Locate the wedding insurance section on the homepage. Carefully read through the coverage options available. Select the policy that best suits your wedding needs. Use the online quote tool to get an estimated premium. Enter details about your wedding date and venue. Make sure to specify any high-value items to ensure coverage. Review the discounts offered by WedSafe for eligible couples. Consider bundling your wedding insurance with other policies. Fill out the application form with accurate information. Submit the completed application for processing. Receive your quote via email for review. Evaluate the policy details thoroughly before purchasing. Finalize your decision by purchasing the insurance. Make sure to keep a copy of your policy on hand. Reach out to WedSafe customer service if you have any questions. Rest easy knowing your wedding is protected with insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.